Hi, I'm Mike Capizzola from the Investing Channel, and welcome to IP Go, the show where we take a look at the IPO world, past, present, and future. 2021 has been a bumper year so far for IPOs. Research from Dealogic released last week shows there have been 875 deals raising a minimum of $1 million around the globe. That's a record number, far exceeding the previous record of 592 IPOs established in 2000 at the height of the dot-com boom. Those 875 IPOs have raised $230 billion, almost 3 times as much as was raised in the comparable period 21 years ago. What's more, with only just over a quarter of the year gone, the sums raised in 2021's IPOs are greater than the annual total seen in 21 out of the past 26 years. SPACs have been among the most popular listings and have helped to make 2021 a record-breaking year thus far. However, traditional businesses have also been listing both at home and abroad, and that trend looks set to continue at least for now. Our chart shows just how far ahead of the competition 2021 is. Thanks to the SPAC boom, the U.S. is the front-runner both in terms of the number of deals and the value of funds raised, with China and Hong Kong in second and third place respectively. There is some debate about whether or not the SPAC phenomenon can maintain its momentum, as both initial funding and funding for subsequent transactions may be harder to come by from here on in. However, hedge funds and other institutional investors may be tempted back into the SPAC funding market through the issuance of warrants, effectively a free option over SPAC stock that can provide a largely risk-free upside kicker for early investors in successful acquisition vehicles. In other news, this week, China looks set to launch a sizable IPO in the renewable energy space. China's Three Gorges Renewables, a subsidiary of the company that oversees the giant Three Gorges Dam, is set to offer 8.5 billion shares for sale via a listing in Shanghai, though as yet, there has been no indication of the pricing of the stock sale. Last year, the company said it was aiming to raise around $3.85 billion for any future IPO. Three Gorges Renewables' parent company is the world's largest clean energy company, and the IPO would see its solar and wind farms spun out into a listed vehicle along with some smaller hydroelectric assets. This is the type of issue that would find favor with ESG, or environmental, social, and governance, investors looking for a way to put money into China, which of course is traditionally seen as one of the world's largest polluters. Renewable energy was thought likely to get U.S. IPO investors excited with the impending listing of FTC Solar. The company provides solar technology that tracks the path of the sun through the sky, allowing end users to capture as much of the sun's energy as possible throughout the day. Originally looking to raise just under $350 million through the sale of stock between $18 and $20, the pricing was slashed to just $13. FTC Solar was able to increase the number of shares on offer by 1 million, but it will still have to make do with raising just $258 million from the listing. Perhaps the most eye-catching debut on the calendar is that of Honest Company, the business founded by Hollywood star Jessica Alba in 2012. Honest Company makes and markets a range of wellness and skincare products designed to be hypoallergenic. Alba herself had suffered from a range of allergies as a child. Honest Company will look to sell 25.8 million shares in a range between $14 and $17. The deal has an all-star cast, with Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Jefferies, BofA Securities, and Citigroup taking the leading roles in the transaction. The stock will debut in early May with the ticker HNST. That's all we have time for today, but as usual, make sure you do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions.